Downey, the diagnostic therapist at Highland-Clarksburg Hospital.
And I'm Reba Nicely, the case manager for the diagnostic unit here at Highland-Clarksburg Hospital.
The diagnostic program is a court-ordered program that really helps provide a service to the community by further understanding a particular diagnosis for a patient, or further helping the court system to understand the appropriate level of care.
So we have criteria here for the diagnostic program. In order for them to be admitted, they would need to be psychiatrically stable, they would need to be between the ages of 13 and 17, and they would need to be in the state's custody as per the court order.
The diagnostic evaluation is a comprehensive look at an individual that helps give a better understanding of their current diagnoses, and it also provides a better understanding of appropriate level of care.
The initial process starts by calling the admissions office to make a referral for the diagnostic program. During that initial phone call, you're going to be asked a series of questions on the child's background. It'll range from questions if they have any current, pending, or past legal charges, why you're seeking a diagnostic, if they have any current or past behaviors that we should be aware of. They will ask you questions based on if there's been any past abuse in their life and where their level of school is at this current time. You're also going to be asked if they've been in any inpatient or outpatient services before. They're going to ask you to send them copies of any paperwork you have on them, whether that be past psychological evaluations, past IEPs for them for their schooling. And once they have all that information, they're going to give the referral to me. And I will review that with our treatment team, and upon an acceptance or denial, I will be your contact at this point in time. So if the child has been accepted into the program, there are 3 things that they will need before we can admit. That be a court order with our specific language in it, medical clearance, and an NCM-1.
Once the child is accepted, they will have a very individualized plan of care once they come to the facility. It starts off with an individualized treatment plan that will be specialized to their needs. They will also be receiving therapy, both individual and group therapy, while they're here. There will also be the option for family therapy if there is family involvement in this case. The type of therapy that we use is dialectical behavior therapy. We've discovered that this type of therapy is very beneficial for those with chronic behaviors. We're looking at the borderline personality behaviors, substance abuse issues, depression, and anxiety. We found that this clientele really works well with the DBT model and the DBT concepts that we teach them of mindfulness-based. Also, while they're here, they will receive a neuropsychological exam in Morgantown. This really gives us a third-party look at the individual and helps us get a really comprehensive look at the child and all of their needs that are going on currently and in the past. During their stay, we work really hard to maintain a good open communication with the workers that are involved in the case. We will be participating in any MDTs and court hearings that they have during their stay, and we'll be meeting with the kids on a regular basis to help prepare them for those events so that they know what's going on and they stay involved in their treatment as well as the professionals that they're working with.
Once a formal recommendation has been made, we will assist you in any way that we can in the discharge process, whether that be from setting up outpatient therapy services for the child, assisting in the ICPC process, or assist you in making any referrals that would need to be made.